In this video, I'm going to share why a lot of artists find it very stressful to work in their art profession and why you did not feel like them. So there are a lot of artists who are working in their art profession day in and day out and not able to earn a lot of money, not able to get clients, not able to make a sale, create a good artwork or get a new commission, and they're finding it very stressful to work in their art profession. So they are expecting their journey to be stressless, which is a wrong kind of expectation. Art profession is like a entrepreneurship. It is like a business where there will always be a mixture of ups and downs. So if you are expecting your art profession to be super smooth, always roses, always sunshine throughout the journey, in that case your expectation is incorrect. You need to have realistic expectation. When there is a learning curve, when there is something that you need to learn, in that case you will always feel that something is not right, something is missing. The situations will not tell you directly that this is why you are not getting the result, this is what you need to learn because of which you are not getting the result. You will have to analyze the situation and make a conclusion and help yourself feel that there is something which I need to learn so that I can easily overcome that situation. I will give you an example. So let's say you are not able to create high quality paintings, and since you are not able to create very high quality paintings, you are struggling to sell them to some good clients, and people are saying, wow, amazing for your paintings, but actually they are not purchasing your painting, and you are wondering why I'm not able to sell my paintings. So the real reason is you have to analyze your paintings. You have to analyze why they are not purchasing your paintings. Are they the wrong kind of clients? Are they the wrong kind of people you are trying to sell to? Is your selling skill not up to the mark? Are you not doing enough branding, promoting, marketing, and that's why you are not able to sell? Is your painting not good enough? What you are painting is not what the market wants. What exactly is the reason? So when you are finding it stressful, it is not the reason, it is the result. The stress is the result caused because of your incorrect expectation and because of your feeling that something external to you is the reason behind you not getting the result. On the other hand, if you feel that, okay, I am not getting clients, maybe because I need to learn how to do branding, promoting, marketing. I'm not getting clients because I'm doing branding, promoting, marketing, but I'm not good in sales. I'm not getting clients because maybe the quality of my product is not that good. I need to improve the quality. If you are helping yourself to feel that you are the reason behind lack of results, then you will not find it stressful. Then you will feel that you need to upgrade yourself. And in entrepreneurship, no matter what kind of entrepreneurship it is, you always have to upgrade your skills in order to reach the next level. So if you think about all the situations, not as stressful situations, but as an indication that you need to upgrade your skills, in that case, you will not find it stressful. There can be some other situations, normal situations, which can cause stress. For example, too many things to do, too many roles to take care of, too many work to accomplish. If that is the case, in that case, the best thing which I can advise that I can give you is get a virtual assistant. You can ask your friend or your sibling to help you in your profession. Understand that art profession is just a art business. And any business, if it is running only on one single person, it is bound to create stress. It is bound to make you feel that you are overworking and underpaid. Okay, if you want to get more help on how to become stress-free, in that case, you can always contact me and I will guide you in the right direction.